this is what I woke up to Monday morning. Supposed to go dig some water and sewer lines, but I don't know if we'll do that or not. I've called the plumber, but I haven't heard back from him. But it's going to be awfully hard to see my locate marks on the ground. So yeah, we'll see. I got a couple estimates and stuff to write up. There's more video to edit, so I may work on that. Or if we have too much of this, I actually I've got an 8-foot snow box that I go on some of the accounts my dad's landscaping company's got on a big parking lot. So I go and help do that. So it's not something I get really excited about. I've got a heated cab, so that's not a big deal. It's just the rigmarole of trying to load it up, chain it down, take it to the property we're at. But we'll see. So you guys may see a snow video later on. That may be kind of fun though. We can slap the GoPro on the inside the box when we're pushing snow up and stuff. It's like a strip mall area that I go to and start doing all this stuff. It takes me about depending on the amount of snow, 10 to 14 hours to clear everything. But it's several different little shopping areas right there by each other, so it's just kind of a one stop, which is nice. But yeah, we'll see. I'll check back in later. Well, it's still snowing, but I got me a little guest today. We have Mrs. Elite out of the house. She's off work from the bank today for Veterans Day, so we're out, went to breakfast. Now we're gonna go look at some jobs. Sure. I wanna go see if we can run the excavator or do something.
I was thinking more like take a nap, but you know.
Take a nap. Naps don't pay very well. So yeah, we thought we'd check in. This is, I mean, it looks nice. It's all snowy. Luckily, it's not really sticking to the road, so I may not have to go do anything. If I do, are you gonna help me?
Sure.
You can run the loader with the box on it.
How much are you paying? I don't know if you can afford me.
Probably not. All right, well, we'll keep checking in. If we go do anything exciting, we'll let you guys know. But kind of going to be hard to drive by and look at jobs when you can't really see them. All right, we'll check back in.
See ya.
Well, it's a little hard to look at jobs. Are they even open right now? I can't drive and hold the camera.
Didn't even mean to hold the camera.
So we're gonna make Jason the Works a lot proud, aren't we?
Yes.
I gotta stop and get some of the vodkas so I can go home and edit some videos. And this guy's looking at me like I'm gonna run over him. So yeah, well,
friendly service guarantee.
that's right. Or your money back. So yeah, I guess we'll stop in here at the old Macadoodles. Get the comrade some vodka.
The comrade? I thought we were getting it for me.
Maybe you. I guess you're my comrade. I don't know. Okay. Well, as you can see, it is Tuesday, or the next day, and the roads are better, but we still got snow on the ground. And it's a whopping 28 degrees here. Balmy. But we're getting ready to pull into pretty much my home away from home. It seems like on rainy days or maintenance days, so I'm gonna get some new door cylinders for the excavator today and some new teeth. So I got some footings to go dig tomorrow, but we'll go inside and grab that. Well, I was gonna replace the little cylinders right here because that one's leaking, and this is the new one I got. Except it's like 3/4 of an inch longer, which I guess was kind of my own fault. I couldn't find the part. I don't know if they just sell just these. I think you have to buy the whole assembly for some reason. So I just kind of glanced at it. I told these are actually the ones that go on the lap bar or the back hood of the loader, and then it also, this one will actually fit down inside this armrest deal. So at a glance they look close, so maybe I won't change those for today. And my quick couplers, it may be done, but the friend of mine doesn't work on Tuesdays and he's out of town, so I'm going to switch these two buckets again. Well, we're not really doing much of like a, I don't know, work or whatever today. We're just gonna get everything ready for tomorrow. I gotta go back to the Springfield job tomorrow and dig the footings now for that KFC. A friend of mine called me yesterday and wanted to know if I was interested in doing that. I said sure. With the snow on the ground, there's not much I can do here, which it's got snow on the ground up there, but I guess with footings are able to get it cleaned off, and we'll dig them. So I got to use this trailer behind my pickup again. I don't feel like driving the dump truck up there, but I don't know if another belt on another one of these tires is slipping. But last time I pulled it, it seemed like it was bouncing her pretty good. I don't know if it is that the new tire. I wouldn't think it would be on that wheel, but it's not as bad with the weight of the machine. But when it's empty, it acts like it's just coming apart. So I don't know if it's one of these other tires. We're going to check over them just to make sure. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if it's that one right there. And actually now, after looking at that, I may want to just leave that spare on and put my new tire on this side, and then take that one and get a new tire. And I may actually do that. Yeah, this one's got to be the one got a belt broken, but you can kind of see how it. So yeah, you're going down the road and there's no weight on it. That'll bounce. We'll see what this one's. See, that one's got, it's like just a flat spot more or less than anything, but it didn't have the bounce that that one does. compressor here with no air hose. I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but you can kind of see how it just goes and curves over right there, and it's pretty much shot, because you can see how it's part of it is the weight of these machines. It probably needs new wheel bearings, but you can just see how it kind of curves in there, and there's just kind of a bubble or a bump on there.